My name is Ann-Marie Fraser. I'm a health and wealth coach. And tonight I'm giving you a tip on finance. For those of you who are online, I want to ask you guys to make sure that you grab a pen and maybe some kind of writing instrument, get a notepad, a sheet of paper, take some notes. So the last session, we talked about the number one financial question, and that is why. Why is it that you work hard, you save your money, but you're still broke? And we gave the answer to that question for those of you who are online and missed it, and for those who are here tonight. We concluded that society is designed to take back 100% of all the money that you make. Amen? That's what's going on. So we said that 50% of your income is going to go back to pay your living expenses like mortgage, your light, gas, food, transportation, things like that. We also said that 25% of your income is going to go to take care of paying off debt, like your credit cards and your car note and so on. And we said over 25% goes to take care of Uncle Sam. So we concluded that 100% of your salary is already gone. And for that reason, if all you do is work, you will always be juggling paycheck to paycheck. Does that make sense, everyone? Tonight, we want to answer the number 2 questions. Question: what if you are able to minimize your expenses a little bit? What if you're able to cut down on your bills and save a little bit? And so the number 2 question is, let's go to the board. Where are you going to save the little bit so that your money works for you? So that your money is working smart and not working hard. Make sense, everyone? All right. So I want to demonstrate to you exactly what you need to be doing with $100, a $200, a $300. What are you going to do with that money? If you want to use it to build the next generation, then you can create $1 million children and grandchildren. If we are too old now and 300 can't do it, you want to do it through the next generation. Amen, everyone? All right. So I'm going to use 3 circles to demonstrate this. This is circle number 1 here. Okay? Now, you have to answer the question tonight. How does money grow in the country? Everyone, say 3 ways. 3 ways. This is how your money grows. Number 1 way, fixed. Where does 85% of the country put their money? Where? In the bank. Okay, you guys are smart. Okay? In a bank. It is fixed. What does that mean? It means that you get a very low rate of return. It means that if you have $500 in the bank, you get so little bit of interest that you might get 17 cents. It means you're never going to become wealthy by saving where? In the bank. But how many people put their money in the bank? 85% of the country. Why? Who could tell me why? If you know you're making nothing, why is your money there? Oh, no. We are not ignorant people, right? We just we just have a lack of knowledge, right? So I'll give you the reason why. Most people believe it is safe. That's the reason why. Also, most people believe that it's accessible. I could just run to the bank and pull $100 if I need it. That's why you put your money there. Even though 85% of us going to be what? Poor. All right, listen now. Where does the next 10% of the country put their money? No. They put it in because there are 3 ways money grow. Fixed, variable. I got to hurry up, guys. All right. So 10% of the country put their money in what? Variable. Those are the people who are a little bit more business savvy, 3 minutes left, than the rest of us. So here's what's going on. This is your 401k. This is your 403b. This is your retirement money. You're throwing 2%, 4%, 6% of your salary in the stock market. All right? Why are you doing that? You are doing that because you get a high rate of return. When the stock market goes up, you are making a lot of money. What's the problem with this? What happens when the stock market goes down? Good. So it has a very big risk. So 1 minute now. Here's the secret. America's millionaire secret. I learned this on Wall Street. I saw a lot of people, Jewish people, come into the office, set up their kids to be very wealthy, even while they are young. 5% of the country understand what to do with their money. Okay? So what if I can show you where you can get the safety, just as if your money was in the bank. You can get the high rate of return with no risk, just as if you were in the stock market, right? And it is called a plan, 7702. Guys, please write this down, those of you online. 7702A, that's the plan. It's also known as an IUL. So 5% of the country put their money in products that are called index. That's what the I stands for. You get absolutely no risk. You lose absolutely no money in the stock market. You pay no tax, and it comes with more than 24 benefits that the wealthy have. So their children become wealthy. By the time they're 24 years old, they are set for life. They don't have to work. They only work if they want to work. They can attend Harvard. They can do all the things that they want to do. I got to close now. But for those of us online and those of us here, if you want to get more information, you got to keep tuning in. You got to keep tuning in because you can't learn everything in 10 minutes. But this is America's secret. If you never heard of it, you need to be talking to someone who can explain it to you. Thank you, Elder. Thank you, everybody.